Hi Gemini, it's Trishna here. Happy New Year and welcome to your January 2019 reading. What I'm feeling for you is for those of you who resonated with my October reading, or maybe it was my November reading, where there was something from your past that was emotionally holding you back from being able to move on. It could have been anything in your life. I feel like for most of you it's probably relationship, but it could be career, it could be kids, it could be really anything in your life. For those of you who resonate with those readings, in January, I feel like you're still holding on a little bit to whatever it is from your past on an emotional level, but I feel like you're starting to move on. And I feel like you're starting to, and this is going to sound rude, but it's the way that I'm getting it, so I feel like it will resonate for you. You're starting to come to your senses. You're starting to realize that there are other opportunities out there for you, and even if there aren't, who cares? You're starting to let go a little bit and starting to move forward. And you're not there yet, but you are moving in the right direction. And I feel like this is why I feel like it's more of a relationship, but it doesn't matter what it is. Whatever situation you're dealing with, I feel like there is a new version of that. There's a new opportunity, or if it's a relationship, there is a new partner that is coming your way in the near future. So I feel like in the next few months. And this person or this opportunity is just so right for you and will just make you so happy, and it just feels so good. I wish I could share the feelings that I'm feeling with you so that you could feel it too. It's just going to be amazing, and it's just going to feel really good. It's going to be really right. It's going to be perfect. And the guidance that I get for you is that you really need to start believing in yourself again. So there's also going to be okay, so part of you guys like moving on is that you're starting to realize that there's other opportunities out there for you. Even if there isn't, who cares? And you're starting to get back in tune with your interests. And even when you were in this emotional situation with this other person or this other opportunity, you were still interested in your hobbies or your interests, or, whatever really you feel good about doing. But because you were still caught up in the emotional baggage or the emotional situation, you weren't really able to fully invest yourself in your interests. And now that you're starting to move forward, you're starting to get excited about your interests again, and you're starting to feel free about it. Like you can truly just embrace what you love and just do what you love, and there's suddenly room in your life to be able to do that because you're getting more emotional space, and you can now channel it into your interests. And so part of your guidance that I get for you is that there is this new opportunity or this new partner coming your way, and it's going to be amazing. And in the meantime, it's really important that you start to believe in yourself again and to enjoy yourself again. And the way to do that is to really focus on this interest that you have and allow it to grow again, like getting in tune with the interest, getting excited about it, and let that excitement grow and really get yourself into it naturally. Like you'll just start getting more into it and allow yourself to be pulled in that direction. And this new opportunity or this new person is not in any way related to your hobby. I don't see any connection there. How this is going to help you is it's going to pull you away emotionally from this baggage from your past, and it's also going to light you up and get you really excited about things again and believing in yourself again. And that belief in yourself and that excitement for something that you love is going to be very attractive to everybody else around you. And when that partner comes into your life, they're going to love that you're happy, that you're in tune with yourself, and they're going to be happy and in tune with themselves, and then the two of you guys together are going to be happy and in tune with each other, and it's just going to be really, really nice. So the guidance is focus on these interests that are starting to surface up again. Feel free, like enjoy the freedom that you have now to be able to channel your emotional energy into them. Enjoy it and know that good things are on their way. Like a really, really, really good things are on their way. Just enjoy the journey there and just enjoy tuning into yourself and things that you like, and the rest will play itself out. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Also check out my website, which will be at the end of this video and also in the description box. And I will see you guys in my next video.